I'm at Unit 57 here at Forest Creek Condominiums. All right, got a nice little 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath here. Beautiful wood floors. Let's see if I can give them this. Okay, dining room area, kitchen, half bath. I love that fireplace. Put a TV right on top of that. Got a great outside yard. Right up by the pool. I bet the pool's right there. Great kitchen, 2-car garage. Okay, as we go upstairs. Let's see here. Looks like everything was painted recently. Okay, room number 1, bedroom number 1. Have a bathroom right over here. Bedroom number 2 connects to the bathroom as well. We got Jack and Jill playing. And in the master. Nice bay window. Looks the bathroom. Huge closet. And overlooks, kind of overlooks the golf course. Golf course is right out there. And I'll head one more time downstairs. Show you some of these great floors.